Hey there, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here with the XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So it's the second day of the week, 30th of April 2019. And this is the daily price action trading setups for the Forex pairs. And today I'm going to look at a few indices and gold and oil if I get enough time. Okay, so this is the new daily updates that I'm posting to my channel. So make sure you're subscribed so you actually get the videos as they're uploaded directly. Okay, so we're going to be using the trade journals. Okay, these are the day trading journals that we use. We fill in and make sure that is colored. I have like a traffic light system in play, so we know when we should be entering and know when we should be exiting the markets. Okay, so what we look for when we're day trading, we look for daily zones and we look for 4-hour inside daily zones, or if there's a good 4-hour zone, maybe a 1 hour inside it. Okay, so I'll repeat that. It's the daily and the 4-hour zones we look for. Okay, and we're going to go through the charts now. And first one is a USD JPY. Okay, so we're just going to go over to the daily chart. And see, it's been dropping from yesterday. It's actually hit a level last week on the weekly charts up here. So we're looking for a possible day trade move in it, and you can see nothing's likely to happen today. So 40 pips to this daily zone here, and there's a couple of daily zones there, so I will actually leave that today. So what I'll simply do is go over to the spreadsheet and simply say no, no, and the comments, it's sorry, it's this here one here. So I've got a new computer and I've yet to transfer over most of the stuff. I had to download this from an email from one of my students. So okay, so in the comments section we'll just write approaching daily zone, check later. Okay, so later as in being start of the US session, because it could drop that 30-40 pips in the Euro session, because we are post Euro session here. So USD JPY, nothing coming into the Euro session, and I don't think anything should really happen in it today. USD CAD, okay. See, we're actually reacting. I talked about this in yesterday's video. I'm liking this to go up to 136, but again, nothing on the daily. So simple fill it in is no. And if there's nothing on the daily, we're not really looking at the 4-hour. So next trade is the USD Swiss franc Swiss in a longer term selling trade from up here, moving down towards this first easy target here, 101. So, but there is daily possible a buying area here, but it's a bit far off at the minute, so who knows. So next one, the next one is a Euro USD. It's actually been rallying pretty hard from a daily zone inside a weekly down here. It's actually, sorry, 4-hour inside a daily last week. So it is, and you can actually see it's hit its first easy target here. So today, what's a possible happening? Could happen. Now, I did talk about this in yesterday's video, coming to here, and a possible selling or opportunity would be around here. So still a good bit to go, but I'm going to be watching it closely in the Euro session, and there's nice daily zones there. So Euro USD's nothing yet. Next one, Euro Aussie. Okay, so looking for daily zones. This is not a daily zone, it didn't create nothing. So daily area is up here, so again that's a no. Okay, so no, this is a low swing low, but it didn't create a new high and it didn't really break a trend, so it's not a trading opportunity. And there's a better levels kind of up here for the target. So Euro Aussie is nothing yet. Euro Swiss franc, okay, daily. Okay, so it's in this sort of range here in the weekly, nothing really happening. This here is a daily zone here. Created, which is not too far off. Just measure this in pips. So maybe 20 pips away. So is there a 4-hour zone at the start of that? There is here. At the start of that area. I'm looking at this as a nice range, so this could be a good shorting opportunity. Just let's see if there's any signals happening. So nothing yet on 1 hour 30. So what I'm going to do simply is I'm going to load the MacBot. So for this trade today, I'm going to look at the target of new low down to here, but the first easy target is here, and that would be 40 pips, and this new low down here would be a good 90 pips. So stop loss, I'm going to do a tight stop loss above, kind of in the zone. So 40. Okay. The MacBot to a lot of different versions from testing, so that's one we want. And we have trade size, which is 1.2 lots. Take profit, I'm going to do 50 pips. Stop loss, let's take profits down below, it's 90, sorry, the new low. Stop loss around 50, true, classic. Max orders 1. Now the time frames when we're looking at this is simply looking for a signal on the 1 hour and the 30-minute for these trades. Okay, and we're looking to go short and allow live trading. Make sure that's on. Okay, and that's that loaded for me today, the end of the market for me. So what I'll simply do in the spreadsheet is fill that in. Yes, so it's about 10 pips to the zone, and it's added as at a 4-hour zone also. So it's a long buy, and we wait for it to enter, and we'll fill that in later. Just simply type in here Mac bot loaded. We move on to the next pair. So nothing on the 2 no's. It's the British pound. Nothing on it. Next pair is Euro CAD. Okay, go to the daily and no. Wanted to kind of go up higher, so no on it. Now we do this twice a day, so end of the Euro session coming into the US session, we will analyse the markets again, see if anything's what's been happening. So if yesterday, remember, we took this trade live and it worked out nicely. So it was inside. If you watched yesterday's video, we had the daily here, we had the 4-hour inside the daily, and it rallied up nicely to its first easy target, the last lows that were taken out. So today, nothing happening now. So just so I explain that again, we had a 4-hour inside a daily, we had a daily zone here. We had the 4-hour here inside the daily, comes down to test it with the 1-hour signal, and you can see it was a nice run straight to profit. And we actually took that live. It was a nice 90 pip trade there yesterday, but today nothing on it. Okay, next one, British pound, GBP. Okay, so it's reacting from this weekly zone here that caused this high here and took out these zones. So it's approaching, it's been 30 pips off at this daily zone here that caused this low. So this could be a nice scalp. And nothing yet. So what I'll do is I'll fill it in. No. Or approaching. So we'll just fill in the comment section. Setup. Okay, next one, British trade is what? British pound Aussie. Okay, nothing on the daily in it. We'll just fill that in. British pound daily in the Swiss franc. Daily 4-hour. Nothing on it. Okay, so again, it's just that I'm liking this to come down. We have a nice 4-hour zone here. Should be a nice buy-in. Swing high, swing low, new swing high. Let's see if there's any signals. Kind of nothing happening on it yet, so I'm going to check that later. Next one is British pound CAD. Again, straight away in the daily, nothing. This is easy, just go through and fill it in. Okay, British pound, nothing on it. Okay, Aussie USD was the next one there. Look at the daily. So nothing on the daily. Nothing yet. A pretty slow start to the week. It is the end of the month, so and there's a lot of big news this week happening. Okay, so let's see. Aussie, what's the next one there? Aussie CAD. No. Aussie Swiss franc, nothing on it either. No. Aussie Kiwi. Again, we have this. Might be a good buying opportunity here on the Aussie Kiwi. So we have this daily zone here. It is We have this huge drop in that's kind of holding here. We have a 4 hour. Let's see if there's any signals happening. Nothing yet, but again, I'm liking this to start heading up higher. So this is a good buying opportunity. So what I'm going to do is simply load the MacBot again. I'm going to go long. Inputs is 1.2. 2. Take profit. You're at 105. So I'm expecting this to go to 108. So this is a long term, short term, kind of long one. Stop loss. So 100, but I'll do that later. Classic max orders is 1 and true time frames now. Do a 4 hour, a 1 hour, and a 30 minute. Okay. We've got the smiling face, and that's her turned on. So we'll go to the Aussie Kiwi here. Yes. Yes, and if these trades trigger, you'll see this filled in tomorrow. So let's type in MacBot. Load it. And this keeps us up to date and right with every session. Okay, next asset is Aussie JPY. And the daily, nothing at the daily, so nothing on it. Oh, sorry. Oh. Go to Aussie Singapore. Again, nothing on the daily. No. Next one, the Kiwi pairs, Kiwi USD. Let's just hit this small daily zone here. See, let's hit it. We're getting a reaction from it, and there's no trade, so it's already hit it. So no. Let's see Kiwi. Kiwi yen, nothing on it. Be very careful of trading the yen pairs this week, as there is holidays in the yen. The markets are kind of shut there, so golden week or something. So be very cautious of the Japanese pairs this week, as those kind of holiday periods cause low volatility, and can cause huge crashes, huge drops, spikes, flash crash. So next one, okay, Kiwi CAD. It's not even loaded in this platform, so I'll look at file, a chart. Okay, Kiwi CAD, nothing on the daily, so it's a no. It's only 2 setups so far coming into the Euro session. That's good. 2 setups, 2 to 3, 4 trades a day is good. And again, it's all automated once you've done this 20-30 minute analysis of the markets. Okay, this is the indicator that you get with the MacBot Pro system. It actually draws the zones for you, so you don't have to worry about what I'm talking about when it comes to zones, but it actually does it all for you. I like to draw them myself. Okay, so looking at the daily, nothing really on the daily here standing out on it, so no. So we have 2 trades on, Euro Kiwi, or Euro Swiss franc and Aussie Kiwi, need a Euro JPY here also. Actually, it's not on this. Again, new computer, so forgive me for not being set up. I'm just waiting for. Okay, so we're going to look at the daily area. Again, you've had this nice trade out of this last week on the Euro JPY. You see, it's just hit its first target. We had this nice 4 inside the daily there, and 30-minute or 15-minute signal. Yeah, so 30-minute signal here down here last week. But today nothing on it, so we'll fill that in. No. Next we're going to look at a couple of commodities. So we'll look at oil and gold. See if there's anything happening on those pairs. So first off, we'll look at gold. Indicators, take these off. So look what's happening in gold. I'll do a longer term analysis on it also. Okay, so you hit this long term monthly area here, and again I'm liking this, seeing this coming all the way back down to here. Because gold is heavily manipulated, so it's just swinging since really 2013 in this kind of range here. So I expect it to drop a little bit further here, unless there's a big market crash. Okay, so next long-term setup would be kind of here, and see gold works perfectly, works great with this MACBOT system. You can see we've had this trend break here in the weekly. The area broke a trend was here. Comes back up to test that area. This area creates a new low. It comes back up to test the area that caused this low here, and then heading back down. So this is really nice trading setup. So short term, daily. Next area I would like to sell is around about here, 1300. So 1300 would be a good area to get in, but today nothing. Okay, so we have two trade setups for the day: Euro Swiss franc on a buy and Aussie Kiwi on a buy. So we'll see how they play out for the Euro session. Okay, so I hope this video helps. That's about all the time we have today with this 30-minute price action setups. Two setups looking forward to now. If you want to learn how to access the MACBOT Pro system that we're trading here, simply click the link below or get in contact with me at will@xaus.com. And stay tuned for tomorrow's price action setups, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, thanks for watching. will@xaus.com.